Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sine s squared. So I will put this one goal here. 1 minus 1 we cancel. Negative with negative you got about positive. The square root of sine s squared you got about sine s. The integration of sine s we have negative cosine s. And now I will put the bounds from 0 to b. So we have the final answer. We have cosine b minus cosine 0. So we calculate about this one. So we have negative number 2. So we have 2 with the square root of number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.